Hello, welcome to this video. This is your first video, hello. If this is your second or third video, hello to you too. I'm with Lathen, but this is not the same Lathen that I would record with before. This is Lathen. Is it okay if I record? This is Lathen that's friends with me, not Lathen that's Fortnite. Okay? Yeah, I named the other Lathen in my contacts Fortnite. Because he plays Fortnite, you don't, so, yeah. So, and we're gonna be playing, Huz for, it's basically a game where there's different modes, and you break target's ankles, I guess, and I like it, I guess. You break people's ankles, I think it's fun. Hold on, I gotta breaking clerks ankles. It's funny.
Stay here!
You're breaking your own ankles.
There are I see clerks right next to each other. I broke both their ankles. Oh. I broke their ankles 5 times in a row and I died. And also, why are you dressed as my character? You are dressed as my avatar. I see that. Wow. By the way, I got a little guy on my shoulder. And I don't have my Sonic feature on. It's different. I got something else. Why? Ooh, modifier. What is it? No safe zones. Okay. Don't use safe zones, so yippee. Chicken nugget, the side bricks. I hear my mom screaming from my I know, bro. I got the emergency. I was eating dinner, aka McDonald's, and when I got the alert, I'm like, what the heck? It said emergency dust storm. Okay. I mean, I'm gonna be inside the entire night, so nothing to be out. Yeah, hopefully. Speaking of, how is your school? Because how was your school? You wanna play a different game? What, tables or lunch? Just lunch in general. We have ice cream at ours. Do you not have ice cream?
We get pizza, mashed potatoes, chicken.
Oh. We had the first day we had a barbecue, bacon, cheese. Okay, you wanna play a different game or do you wanna continue playing this game? Okay, what game we playing? By the way, I'm stocking up on videos. That's what I'm doing. So if I'm too lazy or I'm too much in pain, I can just post a video. Won't have to worry about anything. Won't have to worry about recording said video. So yeah. Ooh, build a boat for treasure.
Yeah, I'm in build a boat for treasure.
Mr. Hot Pink. Let me join you. Games. Change. Hello, Dallas.
Join my team.
Close the door, Dallas. Dallas, I'm recording a video. Dallas. With Lathen playing Build a Boat for treasure. What are you looking outside for, Dallas? To see for the dust storm?
Then my team will
Ooh, I see it. I see the thunder. Ooh, I saw that. That was a lightning strike.
Ooh, Carson! The entire sky just flickered.
Carson, join my team or I will flashbang you.
The entire sky just flickered.
Oh, you see the palm trees?
Dude, yeah, the palm trees look like they're trying to fall over.
Hold on, I'm gonna record with my phone on the so I'm able to see this, and I can post it on YouTube.
Ooh, it's flashing, Carson. It's flashing.
Video. Not dang, I can't record while on a call. I'll have to record later. Hopefully.
It's all quiet and send it to you.
Dang. Please do.
Carson!
I'll have time a minute. I'll record a minute. Oh my gosh, it just flashed.
Dang, bro. Oh, my eyes,
Oh
Lathen.
my
I
gosh,
just
I
said.
just caught that on camera. Dude, keep looking. Keep looking.
Okay, I'm
It
looking.
literally
Yeah, that's
flashed.
my flashbang, and I need you to join my team on
It's
the
like a flashbang.
I'm sending it up.
Hold on, I need. What is
Oh
your
my
team?
gosh.
Let me check again. Red now. Okay, hold on. Read. There we go.
Oh my, it just flashed
Purple.
purple. Yeah.
And now that's gonna be there for eternity.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, I saw that. That was bright. All the trees. It's like
The
a
birds
hurricane. We experienced the hurricane part 4.
Wait, I'm gonna check that.
Lathen, should I load in one of my builds? Okay, I'm loading in the spy from TFT.
Let's send you it, but I can't.
How about you send me it at literally any other time?
Ah.
Airdrop, accept. Thank you. Close the door, dolls.
Oh my, this is when I tried making a box and it didn't work.
You tried to make a boxing ring?
A box.
You tried to make a box. Why'd you try to make a box?
Oh, wait, my soda can.
Ah, cheeky.
Okay, you might need to move
He
the
just touched him with my booty. He with his fingers.
No, I didn't. Dawson's just lying.
My butt.
Lathen.
He get copyrighted.
Dallas, don't watch YouTube, please. I would like to not get. What is that?
This is my car.
That is not a car. That's what you call a ball.
This is my car.
That is your ball.
My car.
Let me in.
This is my car. Good.
It's not a, this is a ball, not a car. A car would be carring. This is a ball. Oh no, it's a car. Never mind. It looks like a little guy. You can put eyes on the front. Lay the. Oh, soda. Oh, it's soda. I thought you put something else.
I'm gonna have to put a big balloon on me.
Okay. Badoon.
No!
Somebody making it fast. What is bro making over there? You see that he's making like apocalypse over there. Maybe he's building an item asylum.
Ah!
Lathen, I don't have a chair.
Don't activate it.
Ouch. Haha, goodbye. Why? Congratulations, you played yourself.
Oh my, it's still too late? Okay, so what if we just add like...
What if I launch the boat? But I want to.
If I do this? Will this not listen?
On, load. No.
Okay, bro, what the heck? What if I just add a balloon? Oh. My car.
I didn't mean to, I'm sorry. Hold on. You put your
I'm assembling another one.
you put your car inside of my house. Sir, can you get rid of your car so I can assemble my house?
My car is right here.
Okay, well I'm gonna assemble my house then.
Well, this is actually my pre-assembled Nokia.
You pre-assembled mobile?
My pre-assembled Nokia.
You pre-assembled Nokia.
Yes. It's very pre-assembled.
How many?
Ooh.
Why? Why not more? Why can't you do more with it?
Because it's already pre-assembled. Wait.
Wait, how are you even supposed to get up there?
Like this.
Oh, like this. Okay, got it.
No, like this. Like this.
I see.
From the door. Man. I will destroy this house.
This is, as I said, this is a car.
It is a car.
How is it a house and a car at the same time? Why are you tiny? I moved.
I've actually become practically immune to cannons now.
Well, you got no. I gotta go to my fortress.
I will.
I know my fort. No, Glow, get away. I able to open my fortress. Excuse me. That's not allowed. That's illegal.
No.
It's illegal. You're not allowed to open that. Airdrop failed. Ah, Del tried to airdrop me. Something failed.
I can open this.
Don't do that. Please don't do that. I need that.
And I'm gonna lock it up.
He died.
Oh, but did I?
You did. I saw your corpse.
But did I?
Yeah, I did.
But did I?
Mhm. You little jerk. That's not nice of you to block my house. You blocked me out of my house. What the?
Yes, you're never getting in your house again.
Okay, well, it's gone. You deleted it. How dare you?
It's gone. Yep.
I'll go in this one.
Now I'm gonna block that one up too.
Duh, you can't do that. It's illegal. Ah! Hit the floor! No, I was making a chicken nugget. My microwave. It had 20 chicken nuggies in there. My son's so dumb. Ah! Shut up. Dallas, turn that off. Dallas, I can do the same thing to your videos. Turn that off now.
Okay, so can I place
Just so you don't get caught.
one balloon without it floating? Just one.
Maybe.
Single balloon.
Oh, great, now that's a game.
I will make balloons invisible. Transparency 100.
My Dallas so dumb, he very, very mean, so he equal dumb. Huh? You said Homer Simpson likes Cartoon Cat? Dallas and his weird ships.
Used to be Lathen too. You can score.
Lathen, why won't your stuff go kaboom? Why won't your soda can die?
Hey, that's how it works.
That's a singular balloon. It's not gonna work. Never mind. That's a very powerful balloon.
No way! There is no way!
How did a small balloon do that to your soda?
Can I? Okay, it's because I added 4 balloons. What if I just add 2? This is worth 2 balloons right here.
Hey, it came off.
It didn't even work. What the heck?
It said nah. It would not want to work. It fully just came off.
Okay, 2 balloons.
I want to see them do something stupid as well. It'd be funny. You're getting raised.
What?
1 balloon. How about that?
1 balloon. 1 singular balloon.
Yes. Try it. Do it. I want to see if it works or if it just floats off, okay? Because that'd be funny. Either way.
Personally, I think that it's gonna not float, but it's not gonna do anything to help.
I personally think it's going to be hilarious either way.
1 balloon.
A singular balloon.
1 singular balloon.
It works!
It just doesn't help at all.
It works!
It takes 8 years.
I told you! A singular balloon works, but 2 is too much.
2 is too much.
2 is too much.
Or 5.
What do you want? Drive into my house? That's not gonna work.
No.
What are you doing? I'm afraid. I'm staring at you inside of your house with your your UG avatar.
Okay, so instead of making this ground traversing, I'm gonna make it
Sky traversing.
airplane.
You're gonna put 7 balloons on there. You're gonna let it go.
No, I put jets on it.
Can I hop in?
No.
Why?
No.
I want to come in.
Sure. Little boy.
Yeah, you call me little boy. We.
Get in before I leave you.
There. Now how am I
You
gonna?
ready?
Yes. I'm getting shoved in the back. It kicked me out. I'm dead. My son, he's son, he sings song, ping, ping, pong, ping, pong. Oh yeah, I still got double the gold from my, Robux. For free. I got it for free, actually. I bought Robux, and then it gave it to me for free.
Oh my, I have the greatest idea known to man.
Not my house, not my house, not my house, not my house! Hello. The gateway boof. You popped out like an egg, you opened it like a Pokeball.
Oh,
Lathen, I choose you.
I gotta go to bed, yo.
I gotta go to bed?
Yeah.
Okay, good night, Lathen.
Good night. See you later, I think.
See ya. Okay, again, that is end of video. Goodbye. And have a good day, or night, or whatever time it is. Have a good one. Bye.